Well, you clicked on the title and we will deliver. We are officially full-time RVers, but it's not as simple as that title sounds. We're going to talk about what has been going on behind the scenes and how we got to this point.
A lot of you have been asking about what's going on with the house. A lot of you have been following since the last purchase that fell through and things were just kind of being held up. We didn't know if and when we were going to sell again. So we're going to catch you up on everything.
Now, before we get into that, take a moment, make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. That does two things. Number one, you'll get notified when we release new videos. And number two, a lot of you ask, how can we support the channel? That's the easiest way. It's free for you to do that, and it just helps out the channel. So let's get into everything that's been going on behind the scenes.
We are filming this video on August 10th. It's Monday today, and we're filming it ahead of time because things are going to get crazy. As you're watching this, if you're watching this the day it comes out, it is August 24th, and it is the day that we moved out of our house this morning. The movers came, we packed everything up from the last 9 years, and off we headed out on Stella. As excited as we are, it's a little scary, but we're really, really looking forward to it.
Now, as we stated earlier, this wasn't a smooth path. There's always bumps in the road, very much like RVing. We started this process back in April. We had put our home up for sale. We're up in northern New Jersey. The market is very hot here. It sold in 2 days, well over asking, and that was the easiest part. Everything after that was pretty difficult. There was bumps throughout the whole road, and what wound up, make a long story short, we decided to terminate that contract and relist the house. We just couldn't come to terms with the buyers. And that's okay, because everything happens for a reason. Now, while we were in this process, we were looking for a home in Tennessee, and we had put a bid on a home down there. We had offer accepted, but that home's purchase was contingent on the closing of the home. So when our home fell through in New Jersey, that home in Tennessee fell through, but looking back at it, it was actually a blessing in disguise.
So we relisted our home, and it did sell again rather quickly for over asking again, New Jersey. That's kind of how it is up here. And we were so busy because we actually have been down in Tennessee with our meetup and our Rollin' and Rockin' Endless RVing meetup, which was a blast.
Yeah, we met a lot of our subscribers and people. We've been planning that out for about a year, but we also met with our friends we haven't seen in a while, Matt, Will, and Jen. And Matt does have a message for you. This episode sponsored by Liquefied.
In our brand new sewer hose called, and yes, we bleeped out the name because we can't tell you anything about this product. The only way to find out, bing, scan that QR code, give us your name and email, and we will notify you when the official Founders Club presale launches for our new sewer hose. What makes a sewer hose special? It's a 24 mil TPE with an exoskeleton. It compresses down really far, and walk that way. And it stretches out extremely far. We have this clear elbow, and we promise you can step on this, break this, do whatever you want to it, and it's gonna bounce back into place and always work. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna replace it absolutely for free.
Can we run it over with our diesel pusher?
You absolutely
We're
can.
gonna do it.
So if you guys wanna learn more about our sewer hose, give me your name and email by scanning that QR code, and we'll reach out to you next week and tell you more about our brand new product.
Thank you, Matt. Exciting news. Looking forward to see you and the whole crew at the launch at the Hershey Show. Very exciting.
It really is. All right, so let's move on into this purchase. This is the way a home sale should go. It was completely opposite from the last time. So we had a few offers come in, the people that we accepted, great couple, young couple, and everything went smoothly. The inspections went smoothly. They were on time with everything. At this time, we had great buyers, great realtor, great attorney on the buyer's side.
I felt like they were serious this time. I feel like the last ones, I don't know. I think they had some cold feet, just some of the things that were coming out requests. So
yeah, so this just moved as smoothly as you could ask for. We met them a couple times and we talked. They were super nice. The guy is a police officer, so that
continues the tradition on the neighborhood.
Fit well on this street. It's just a great overall scenario. We're really excited for them, but we're really excited about what we're about to embark on.
And that's life as full-time RVers. Now, if you've watched our videos, we've talked many times that we don't want to be full-time RVers, and we kind of don't. But this is a caveat. That wasn't our original plan, right? We had planned to sell in another home. However, we have a ton of travel MJ is going to talk about throughout the fall. And it didn't make logical sense to leave New Jersey, go look for a house in Tennessee with a limited amount of time. If we find the house, purchase, buy, close, to immediately leave again for months. Yeah. It just didn't make sense. Number one, we will not be rushed this time when we buy a home.
No.
The real estate in North Jersey is super hot. The real estate, it seems, in the rest of the country, including Tennessee, not so much. It's definitely, things are, up here, they're sitting for a week. Up there, they're sitting for 100 days. So that gives us a lot more buying power when we're ready. We could really be more selective in what we choose and kind of have it on our terms, right? Because we'll have the money ready to go.
So where are we going? We've said in the past, we never full-time RV. Well, we are very, very excited about this because it's going to be nice, I think, for a while without having to cut the lawn and take out the garbage and just clean it. It's going to be really cool. And it'll be pretty cool without a mortgage for a while too. So there's a lot of financial perks as well. But so many things, we're going to see so much of this beautiful country that we're actually going to get into in another video coming very shortly. We're going to talk about everywhere that we're headed, and we're going to hit a lot of the country. We're going to be headed out all the way west this time, which we haven't been on the RV. So we're really, really excited. But where we're going today, as you're watching this, if you're watching this on the 24th, we are headed down to see a couple RV dealer friends in different areas and just pop in and say hi. We have about 2 to 8 days before our stuff gets delivered. So we will be headed down to Tennessee, ready to collect our belongings at a storage facility. We'll actually be transporting the Tesla down as well, and then we're going to be putting that and all of our stuff in storage. From there, we are going to head to Florida. So this is where we have to set up our domicile.
And that in itself is a lot of new stuff. We've never done that, but it's relatively easy. Use Escapees to kind of walk you through it. We have an address and a mailing address both set up. Now, getting the license and vehicle registration, all that, we think we know what we're doing, but we're giving ourselves plenty of time. I'm sure we're not going to have everything we need. Like the first step, we might be there for a couple days, but we'll figure it out. Everybody figures it out. So we'll be Florida residents, right, for 8 months, 10 months. I don't know, until we find another house. And then eventually the goal is to be Tennessee residents sometime in 2027.
So after we leave Florida and we get all that stuff tied up, wrapped with a bow, we head north. So we're going to come back up to Jersey, actually, but southern Jersey. So if you've watched our videos, you know, my Aunt Rose, my cousin Kathy, and the family, they're very, very close to us. So we're going to go visit them one last time, although we are going to come up for the holidays, but we're going to see them. They're down the shore. That's how we say it in Jersey, down the shore. So we'll visit them. And then after that, we're going to head out to Hershey. So we're going to be mid-September, going to head out to the Hershey show, and we'll be there for the week. I'm going to stop there. We have a whole travel update video coming out, which is just epic travel that we're about to embark on. I'm so excited. But that's what our next 3 weeks looks like. But it's exciting. It's, I don't want to say terrifying, but you know, this is a big change for us.
Sure. You definitely have to downsize as far as what we're carrying. We're trying to figure out what's the most important. Because here's the thing: if we don't have it, we're not going to have it because it's going to be in Tennessee. So we're not going to drive back and forth.
Right.
Like if we don't have it, we don't have it. So we have to figure out what's really important to get our domicile, like what important documents we should have all the time. Like there's some important things out there. So it's definitely a process, but I think we'll be fine. We've been away. In the living part, we've been out of the home for 3 months at a time. So I don't think that's going to be a big deal. It's actually going to be easier because they're not looking at cameras, or is the temperature good inside the house? Is there ice outside? Like we don't have to deal with any of that.
Too long. Right. Though it's going to be very freeing. If you're a full-time RVer, let us know, what are we in for? Are you excited for us? I mean, this is a big step, but I think it makes the most logical sense for us at this point.
Now we have a few videos that are out and will be out. We have the Hershey Show preview video. We'll link that up above. We also have a Hershey RV Show tips video. We're also going to be doing something different this year. Normally we stay about an hour away. We're going to be 15 minutes away with the AIM gathering through National Indoor RV Centers, the AIM Club. They have I think they might still have tickets left, but
it's the Great Hershey Hangout.
It's going to be great. Because we don't have to deal with dinner or the long
drive
either.
If you're interested in it, the Great Hershey Hangout is what it's called. And yes, I think there's still tickets available.
We'll put the link below.
But you get a shuttle to the show, you get tickets to the show, you get all your meals and everything. So that'll be great.
And we got full hookups.
Which we usually don't have. Also, a couple days ago, we did put out a video because we've been on YouTube now for, I think, 7 years. And we did a whole kind of YouTube journey video and just talking about, because we get questions all the time, how we started, how'd you get here, how'd you do this? So we kind of put everything together. So if you want to go check that video out, that was a really good one.
So we want your feedback down below. Any full-time RVers, what has been your experience? Also, will you be at the Hershey RV Show? If so, put in the comments below.
Send us your good vibes. If you're watching this on Monday, August 24th, we probably are en route to Texas, maybe at a harvest to Tennessee, probably in a harvest host somewhere. So send us your love.